Hotel style simple chicken curry recipe can be served along with rice, roti, chapati, potato or naan. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 600 grams of chicken with bones. Add 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Keep it marinated for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we can fry the chicken pieces. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Fry the chicken pieces for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Remove it into a plate for later use. Into the same oil, add 1 tablespoon oil. Then add 1 inch size chopped ginger, 6 chopped garlics, 3 chopped green chillies, 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add 3 chopped onion. Mix it well. Saute it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame until the onion changes to light golden color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Before adding the masalas, change it to low flame. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon red chilli powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. Now add 2 chopped tomato, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Tomato has become soft and mushy. Now add the fried chicken pieces to it. Also add 2 cups of water for semi-gravy chicken curry. Mix it well. When it starts boiling, change the flame to low flame. Close the lid and cook for 20 minutes. Open the lid and give a stir every 5 minutes in between. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. Then add 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, and 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Switch off the flame. Our restaurant style chicken gravy curry is ready. This chicken curry can be served along with any dishes. It's so delicious when specially served along with chapathi or parota.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.